What's up mga kol? Today it's Sunday and this is my first video or my first episode. In this vlog, we're going to talk about RS125, Honda RS125. I'm going to share yung mga simpleng modifikasyon on our MC. I'm going to share something that you can do it with yourself. I hope this will gonna be okay. I hope it works. Siguro naririnig nyo yung pipe ko ngayon. It's just a stock canister with a stock pipe, pero kinalkal ko lang siya, hindi yung tube type kundi yung screen type nakalkal. Don't worry mga kol, I'll share on how to modify your stock pipe with your own efforts na hindi ka mapapagastos ng malaki. I'll promise you, hindi kayo mapapagastos ng malaki.
Pwede dyan na!
And today I am on the city hall of Tagum. I don't know, sana hindi ako sitahin sa pipe ko. What's up, sir? How do you? And today I'm going to show you my beloved Honda RS125. I do some modification on my bike, and I hope you like the modification of my bike. Or kung may tanong kayo about how did I do that, or how would you do it to be like that, just message me on my page and I will answer all your questions. I'm gonna need some spot here to, oh, there, maybe there. I'm going to see, I'm going to, and so this is my beloved RS125 with all this visor right here, the headlight, the eagle eye type headlight. Oh, that's rusty right there. I need to change the bolt, and I need to change my pipe. Oh, see, here's my pipe. It's open there. It's already no divider. You can see the inside, but it's a screen type kalkal. I do it by myself. And also this one, this here, the brake conversion, I do it by myself. If you have question about that, just asked me about that, and also there's a lot things to do about this bike. I'm going to change the chain set, and I'm going to change all those rusty bolts. So stay with me, guys, and I hope you'll be on my other episode about the modification of my bike. I'm going to start my bike, guys, so listen to its sound, and I'm going that is the sound of my bike. It's just a standard piping line and a standard canister. That's the sound of it. Just like that. And yan, guys, thank you for watching.